Let's unbox this Hotwave vibration plate and put it to the test. Now, I find vibration plates pretty fascinating. By doing different vibrations, your muscles are actually contracting and relaxing in ways that they wouldn't normally. And they were actually invented by Russian cosmonauts in the 1960s to help maintain and build muscle mass while up in space. I think that's so cool. Really quickly, let me go over what you get with this and then we'll put it to test. First thing is the manual. It even has an exercise quick start guide, and it shows you visually different ways you can use the machine. Then you have your grounded power cord. It's only about 4 feet long. And then you have these 2 resistance bands. They are this nice corded material on the outside, really nice stretch. And these connect to the hot plate with these metal brackets that actually twist out on each side. So if you want to put those on, you'll just twist out those brackets and then you can just hook them on with the carabiner clips. Just like that. And while looking at the bottom, you will see that it has these nice rubber feet. They're a little suction-y to keep it in place so it doesn't move on you. Now, I just plugged it in so I can show you everything close up, but it also comes with a remote. One thing to keep in mind with the remote is that you do need 2 AAA batteries that are not included. Now here it is, it's on and ready to go. You just hit the power button to get it started, and then you can choose start and stop by hitting this play pause button right here. This is your mode button. And if you don't want to do it by mode, over here you have your plus minus for speed and time. Right now it's on time, so I'm choosing my time. And if I hit play, it'll start right up. And now if I wanted to pick up my speed with those buttons, I could do that as well. But obviously, unless you're sitting on it or using your hands on it, you're going to want to use the remote. On the remote, the play and the pause are separate buttons, as are the time, decrease and increase, and the speed, which has the decrease down here and the increase up here. And then the P in the middle is for choosing one of those manual programs. And then down here you have 3 quick shortcuts for run, walk, and sprint. Okay, I have it plugged in. I really do like how easy this is to step on and off of. The grips on it are nice and it has some wiggle to it without even turning it on. I'm only at level 1 and this feels exceptionally intense. It would take time for me to work into this. But when you hit walking, it shoots you right up to level 30. When you hit running, it'll shoot you up to level 60. And if you hit the sprint button, it takes you up to level 90. This gets really intense really fast. I can feel that all through my spine. I'm gonna go back down to at least walking, but now I am gonna push myself to go higher levels faster, as if this is walking, I should be able to handle this. But I can definitely feel it. It feels different as I squat and stand on where in my body the vibrations are impacting. And now, of course, if I wanted to, I could use the resistance bands for a variety of different types of resistance. I'm 5'11". I would love if these bands were a little longer for me, as they don't seem to go any further than this, but that's pretty intense to use anyway. Obviously, I can sit on this, I can do squats on it, I can do push-ups, however it best suits you. I'm actually really entertained by this. I'm pretty impressed by it. I love how small it is. I can tuck it in a corner, and it's pretty intense too. The Hotwave vibration plate.